Oh Lord, no, come on. Cutting a sausage, a hot dog. No, really? Okay, smart ass, where are you going? Oh, hold on, strips of cheese. No, come on, kid. Jesus Christ. Hold on. And mille-feuille of hot dog. No, come on. Oh, jeez, now you're wrapping it. You're putting your sausage in a blanket. Oh, come on, kid. You've got too much time on your hands. Where's this going, young man? A little bit at the end? Okay. So you've lined it with cheese, you've wrapped it in bacon. Now what are you doing? No, come on. You don't want to cook. Oh, stop it. Come on. Come on. Seriously? The texture's going to be gross. The cheese will be melting. Oh, no. You're trying to glamorize a hot dog. Oh, come on. Look at that thing. Ugh. Next. No. Please, no. No squares. Oh, 50 shades of hot dog. Kid, listen to your dad. Stop playing with your sausage.
Calvin, are you ready, son?
Yes.
We're going to be making the cheesy bacon hot dog here in the car park with me van and me man.
Yes.
We're at the kitchen. So, finished radio today. We're now in the kitchen doing a shift and we're out in the car park. Going to make some nice videos. That looks good, doesn't it?
It does.
Right, bang. Looking good, bruv. Looking good. Now this is where it gets fiddly and technical, and you've got to have a degree in art.
Yep.
This is when you've got to have a degree in art. Which I've got a degree in art, yeah. You are bang on correct there, Calv. I'll wrap this up like pigs in blankets at Christmas. Look at that, brother. That is like a giant pigs in blanket. And it ain't far from Christmas. So that could be a new jazzed up version of pigs in blanket.
Could be.
With a pork sausage. Look at that cheese coming through. Give that another 30 seconds, mate. And we're done. That little bit of bacon dropped off. But chef's treats, right? Chef's treats on that. We'll leave that to one side. That's what we do. Right. Heat's off. Yes, yes. Wicked and the best. Hold tight, Calvin. You don't want to mess. There's your cheeky little, what are we calling that? Cheesy bacon dog.
That is unreal.
Cheesy bacon dog done in a car park.
Yes.
The back of the van. On a camping stove.
You can cook anywhere.
On a camping stove, I'm having chef's treats. Crispy bacon, melted cheese, little frankfurter, lovely brioche bun, topped with mustard and ketchup. I was going to say mayonnaise. Topped with mustard and ketchup. Oh yeah, baby.